Let's cut the BS. Affiliate marketing isn't some magical ATM where you push buttons and get rich. It's a game of strategy, persistence, and knowing your audience better than they know themselves. And yeah, picking the right niche can make or break your whole operation. I've been around the block as a software engineer and marketer, building tools like Passive WP that help pros squeeze every drop of ROI out of their affiliate game. So trust me, I know what works and what definitely doesn't. Let's dive in. First rule: if your niche doesn't excite you, it'll flop. Imagine creating 500 blog posts about toenail clippers when you don't give a crap about foot hygiene. Painful, right? Pick something you'd actually enjoy geeking out about because you're in this for the long haul. Here's the winning formula for a great niche. You care about it. If you're bored, your audience will be too. People spend money on it. Passion's great, but you're here to get paid. It's not overcrowded. Competing with Amazon itself? Yeah, no thanks. Look, competition isn't bad. If people are already making money in your niche, it means there's money to be made. The trick is carving out your own space. Here's how you do it. Find a sub-niche. Fitness is too broad. Fitness for new dads with beer guts? Now we're talking. Be yourself. People connect with humans, not faceless brands. Your personality is your superpower. Bring value. Answer questions better than anyone else. That's your secret weapon. Don't pick a niche on vibes alone. Data is your best friend. Tools like Google Trends, Ahrefs, SEMrush, Reddit, Quora, and Facebook groups will show you what people are really talking about. Dive deep. If people are screaming about a problem, that's your opportunity. You want specifics? Fine. Here are niches that consistently make money: health and wellness, personal finance, tech, and expensive hobbies like golf, photography, or fishing. Evergreen niches are your best bet, ones that keep earning year after year without relying on passing trends. If you're not leveraging social media, you're leaving money on the table. Your niche determines where you should go: Instagram or TikTok for visuals, YouTube for long-form content, Facebook groups for tight-knit communities. Just don't spam. Offer real value first, affiliate links second. Your content has to slap. It needs to get attention and make people trust you enough to click buy. Tell stories. Use humor. Be human. If your blog sounds like a 10th grade essay, rewrite it. Add visuals, images, charts, and videos. They do half the work for you. Stop guessing. Track your metrics. Without analytics, you're flying blind. Focus on click-through rates, conversion rates, and revenue per click. When something works, do more of it. When it doesn't, tweak and test. That's how the pros play. Picking a niche isn't rocket science, but it does take effort. Choose something you care about, do your research, and get creative. The affiliate marketing world might be crowded, but there's always room for someone who does it better. That's you. Now get out there, build your empire, and remember, the niche you pick today is just the start. Keep experimenting, stay flexible, and most importantly, have fun with it. If you like this video, please make sure to smash that like button and subscribe. See you at the top.